What's up guys, this is Yao here and you're welcome to another lesson right here on learnaccount.com. If you are new here, you are welcome to the official YouTube channel of learnaccount.com. This channel is dedicated to helping you to read, write and speak the account language of Ghana. You may want to subscribe. And if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. The next one is awarie. 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 And for this one, the worry that you see in the middle actually means long. Okay? Worry means long. Okay, so there's actually a tree saying that goes like awarie kwan worry. Awarie kwan worry. So the awarie as a word actually has a part that means long. Okay, so you get it. You get it, right? You get it. The next one is ayefro. 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 And out of this we get ayefukunu. Ayefukunu. Ayefukunu and ayefoyere. 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 Okay, so husband is okunu. Okunu. Okunu or kunu. 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 And wife is oyere. Oyere. Oyere or yere. 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 And then we have asew. 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 Asew or ase. 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 So we have aseba. 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 Aseba and aseberima. 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 Okay, and the next one is akunta. 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 And then we have ekuma. 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 Okay, on to the next one and we have akrafo. 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 Okay, and then we have okunafo. 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 And the next one is aberima. 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 Okay, and in natural speech I may go with abema. Abema. Okay, abema. Abema. And then we have abayewa. 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 Okay, and then we have obaberima. 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 Obaberima or obabema. 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 And then we have obaba. 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 And the next one is abanoma. 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 Okay, and then we have ejanka. 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 And then again we have Onia, 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 or Wofa Ba, Wofa Ba, Wofa Ba. So we have Wofa, and then we have Ba, which is child, so your uncle's child, right? Wofa Ba, Wofa Ba, Wofa Ba, or Sewa Ba, Sewa Ba, Sewa Ba. So Sewa is your aunt, and Ba again child, so your aunt's child, right? So Sewa Ba, Sewa Ba, Sewa Ba. The next one is Wofase, 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 Wofase. Okay, Wofase. And then we have Ntafo, 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 Ntafo. Okay, and if they are triplets, we will have Ahenasa, 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 Ahenasa. And if they are 4, we will have Ahenanai, 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 Ahenanai. All right. The next one is Osijani, Osijani, Osijani. Okay, Osijani, Osijani. Okay, and out of this we can have Osijani Berima, Osijani Berima, Osijani Berima, Osijani Berima. And then we can have Osijani Ba, Osijani Ba, Osijani Ba, Osijani Ba. And then we have Adamfo. You know this one, right? Adamfo, Adamfo, Adamfo. Okay. And the next one is Mpnachie, 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 Mpnachie. So your boyfriend or girlfriend would be Mpna, 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 Mpna. So I can say Mempna, Mempna. Oh, hey. And then the next one is Odishie, 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 Odofuo, 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 Odofuo. Akuma mu tofe, Akuma mu tofe, Akuma mu tofe. And we can shorten this and go like Akumem tofe, Akumem tofe, Akumem tofe. Okay, so we have Akuma as heart. Okay, and then we have mu in or inside, and then we have tofe, toffee or candy. So it's like the candy of the heart. Okay, that's actually nice, right? Yeah. So we have Akumem tofe, Akumem tofe, Akumem tofe. The next one is Akokra, 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 Akokra. Okay, and then we have Abrewa, 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 Abrewa. And we can say Abrewa pusu pusu, Abrewa pusu pusu, Abrewa pusu pusu, or Akokra pusu pusu, Akokra pusu pusu, Akokra pusu pusu. The next one is Piesie, 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 or Abakai, 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 Abakai. And then we have kechre, kechre, kechre. Okay, so we have ka, which is to remain. Okay, and then echre is the back. So to remain at the back. You get it, right? Kechre, kechre, kechre. The next one is abrantie, 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 abrantie. And the last one is ababawa, 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 ababawa. And this is where we end today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.